Using NordVPN as a beginner is simple. Follow these steps to get started. Sign up for NordVPN. Visit the NordVPN website and choose a subscription plan. Enter your email address and payment details to create an account. Check the link in the description for a promotional offer. Download and install the app. After signing up, download the NordVPN app on your device. It's available for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Linux, and more. Go to the app section on the website, select your device, and follow the installation instructions. Log into your account. Open the NordVPN app and log in with your email and password. Connect to a VPN server. Once logged in, you will see a map or a list of servers in various countries. Select a server based on your needs, such as streaming content or enhanced security. Click Connect, and NordVPN will encrypt your internet connection. Adjust settings. Explore settings like kill switch, cybersec, and other features to enhance your experience. Browse safely. Now, you're ready to browse the internet securely and privately with your IP address masked by NordVPN.